2, make a fortune teller. You'll need a pen, 4 different color markers, and a square piece of paper. If you don't have a square piece, make one. Fold down a corner of a rectangular piece, forming a triangle. Fold the remaining rectangular piece one way, then the other. Again, and again, and again, and again, and again, forming a deep crease. Rip off the rectangular piece and open the triangle. Check it out, a square! Now onto the fortune teller. Step 1, fold the paper in half, and then in half again, creating crease lines. Step 2, fold the paper in half diagonally, and then diagonally again, then open. See? More creases.
Hey, I can predict the future. You're gonna fold that paper again.
Step 3, fold the top right corner so the point is in the middle of the square.
Told ya!
Step 4, do the same with the other 3 corners. Fold, fold, fold. Step 5, turn the smaller square over and fold down the top corner to the middle of the square. Step 6, do the same with the other 3 corners. Fold, fold, fold.
I predict more folding.
Step 7, fold the new, even smaller square in half.
Right again!
Step 8, slide your thumbs and your pointers under each flap and use them to open and close your fortune teller. Hello! Step 9, flip over your fortune teller and label each square with 4 colors: orange, green, purple, blue. Step 10, flip it over and label all 8 triangles with a number. Step 11, open up all of the flaps and write predictions like, yep, no way, possibly, definitely, probably not, in your dreams, yeah, you know it, and sorry, no dice. Step 12, fold it back up, put your fingers in, and find a friend. Have your friend ask a yes/no question like, does this fortune teller really predict the future? Tell them to pick a color.
Purple.
And spell it out as you move the fortune teller. Purple.
Purple is my favorite color!
Tell them to pick a number.
4.
No way! I was going to say 4!
And move the fortune teller that many times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell them to pick another number.
7.
No way! I was going to say 7!
And move the fortune teller that many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tell them to pick one last number.
2.
No way! Wait, actually no. I wasn't going to say 2. I was going to say 6. Oh well.
Open the flap for your answer. Does this fortune teller really predict the future? Yeah, you know it.
Wait, what did it say for 6? Hello? Hello? Where did everyone go?
Want to learn how to make snacks, do tricks, draw things, and more? Then download the GoNoodle app and join us for GoNoodle Go Summer. We've got new how-to videos and GoNoodle house parties every week, all summer long. GoNoodle will show you how to
Have the best summer ever.